We have two warehouses. This is a new warehouse. We have 20,000 products, all wholesale prices, and we separate them into two categories, the supermarket product and the dollar store products. So this new warehouse we just started last summer, and it's mostly for the warehousing of these supermarket products. This is a showroom. You see about 1,000 here, and in the warehouse there are 8,000. So that's the first category. And second dollar store category is actually our foundation, our 20 years source of our pride. So this is just an appetizer, as I say. You say about 400 products here, 150. It's a small showroom. Our old warehouse, which is just 7 minutes away, is much bigger. It's got 4 floors, 20,000 square meters with 13,000 types of dollar store products. So when I say dollar store products, what we mean is these products, their prices will be around 20 cents USD. In RMB, about 1.5. So the retail price is 3 RMB per piece in China, and the wholesale price is 1.5 on average. Some higher, some lower. You will see them mostly among between 1 to 2 RMB. And so the store owners, we have many domestic clients, they get products from us for their 3 yuan store. 3 yuan is about 40 cents. They get 13,000 choices, and they just need to get 1 to 2,000 for their store. That's enough. So this is something we keep updating. We got new arrivals every day. This is a new baby. We're also very proud of this because we have more clients opening big stores. They have 500 square meters, and so they need more, not just these cheap products, because some products cannot be 20 cents. People ask me, is this like poor quality? I say, no, it's just different targets. This is for like a very good business model, $1 each. You can go, but in Malaysia, maybe you need to go less, right? In Nepal, actually, it's $1.3 each. So depending on your local competition and your overall cost with shipping and the product, you can go set a price. But our suggestion is one price, the same price for everything. Your store is very memorable. So this is where you go the traditional way, individual pricing. No average. Here, ranging from 30 cents all the way to $10. You get all the things you will see in the supermarket, except food and drinks. And we don't have fashion items like clothes, bags, or shoes, because the idea is we don't want risk with stock. So all things here can be sold for 5-10 years, no problem, because they don't go out of date. So depending on your target customers and your store size, you can decide to get products from this line or from both. Later, I'm also thinking about taking you to the old warehouse to see more. There you will see the actual packing process and the loading and unloading. And also there's a 400 square meter showroom for these products. The colors can all be customized. We do store design too, free store design. And then we have our own shelf factory for the production of these shelves. You don't have to buy shelves from us, but it's just something we like to help with. The idea is if your store opens like with a great opening and a good business, you're gonna open and expand, and maybe you replicate and do a second or third store. You will come back and we will do more stores for you. So we want to do this together and make sure it's a long-term, growing business. So it's the service we provide. So about MOQ, it's $5,000 per order. So $5,000 is the order total. But in terms of product, each product order minimum is very low, usually just 10 to 20 pieces. The highest order minimum is 1 carton, and that is only for fragile items like ceramics and glassware, because we use factory cartons and we don't want to take them out and risk breakage. So most of the items you see here, some of the items here, order minimum is 2 pieces. So it's very easy. I know a lot of my clients, I personally know that they're actually shopping for themselves too when they go on a website. All the products, info, photos, prices, order minimum are on the website. And so you don't need to worry about, when you get the website, which is also our ordering system, you will see them clearly. And we only sell what are in stock, meaning if you can put it in cart, it's in stock. And the prices are wholesale prices already. So just saves us a lot of trouble. You don't need to ask us, is this a price? Is this in stock? If you can see it, it says in stock, it is in stock. So it's very easy for our customers to restock. So order minimum $5,000, that's usually 7 to 10 CBM. But for retail stores, especially for people opening a new store, $5,000 is clearly not enough. Usually we would suggest for every 100 square meters, you get a 40 haiku container. So that will be 6 to 8 cubic meters inside. You can put the shelves and product inside. That should be enough for your store for 4 to 6 weeks at least. But you gotta monitor. If your sales go really good, go really well, you gotta order before things run out. So that's for retail. And so $5,000 is just something, it's more for wholesalers and also for those who have a store and have stock already. So they cannot really get a container. They need to try first. So we draw the line at $5,000. We cannot do below that. Okay, sorry for the long lecture. I really want to get all the important info out. Thank you so much for coming today. I'm Molly, by the way.